Okay, everybody, we are about to do the live drawing for the Keyestudio starter kit, the plug and play one. And if you haven't seen it, it's very cool. It has these RJ11 jacks, and you can plug these modules in. It comes with great code. It's just a really cool way to get started. You can just plug in and go and spend your time learning how to code, not how to wire. And there's really good examples. They did a great job with the kit, and I appreciate them offering to give one to the group. And so if we were to come in here and go to our thing, we can actually see that we had 110 people enter. And for those of you who missed this in the last video, basically what's going to happen is this thing is going to go into the database and it's going to select everybody who entered this contest as a random selection, and so it's going to mix them up, put them all into an array, and then just for the heck of it, we are going to shuffle it one more time, and then the top person on the list is actually going to get skipped just for the fun of it. And so the second person on the list will be the one who wins. If there were multiple people and multiple prizes that we offered in this competition, it would be numbers 2, 3, 4, 5 would be the ones that would be selected. So a little goofy, but we're doing it just for the fun of it. We are going to select the winner in 3, 2, and 1. So I clicked it. So this person would have won, but they were at the top, so now they're last. And so the winner is Peter Verheyden. And so Peter Verheyden, congratulations on winning the Keyestudio thing. I will be emailing you and getting in touch with Keyestudio and putting the two of you guys together so that you can get your kit.